Mental health challenge that I had to work through was actually um, following my divorce. I needed to make a decision around what that care was going to look like for myself. And you don't always understand that you are really handling the trauma of whatever has happened to you, mind, body, and soul. And then also intentionally, I had to figure out what was the best thing to do to help myself navigate through it and still be present for my children. So that was a really, really tough time. Emotionally, I was trying to be okay in the public, but privately, it was like a huge, huge undertaking. And then I still had these three little people that were watching my every move and looking for me to help them navigate through the space of the trauma. So mentally, that was a lot for me. It was very heavy, very heavy, very heavy.
Well, the mental health challenge that I navigated definitely came my sophomore year of college. I got injured on a basketball court. I played basketball, and I couldn't play basketball anymore after that. So I would say I struggled with kind of figuring out who I was after that. My identity really was surrounded with basketball, and that's who I identify myself as. But with the game being taken away from me, I had kind of had to figure out who I was. And then with that, I also had a lot of struggles with school that semester. Had told me that unfortunately I wouldn't be able to register for my classes for the spring semester due to financial reasons. So that put a mental strain on me. I really didn't know what to do with that. I didn't know how to navigate that. And what made it worse was that I also had to be a student at the same time. So kind of figuring out how to navigate that was a big challenge for me, and I really didn't know what to do at first.